and welcome back to my YouTube channel again. We have already uploaded 3 videos. If you don't know, just go to my videos, and as you can see that this is my channel and we have already uploaded 3 videos. In the first video I have discussed about how to install Postgre SQL. In the second video I taught you about how to create table, how to insert data inside the table, how to use a select command inside the table. And in the third video we have missed some of the queries, how to insert multiple data using a single query, how to add a new column, how to update the data inside a table, and how to drop the particular table. So yeah, in those videos we have covered some basic things, and in this upcoming video we will try to get a take a real-time example and we will work through that. So without wasting time, and before that, if you don't follow me on GitHub, you can go and follow me in GitHub. Otherwise you can follow me in Kaggle also. So yeah, let's get into today's video. So let's create a scenario here. I have created an ABC oil company. Like if I have an oil company, so I have given the name as ABC oil company, and here we are trying to work through the real-time operation. So if you know, like I have taught you basic idea how to create a table. So basic use create table and table name, and just follow the steps. What are the name, text, no, null, not null, and unit sold, status sent. Okay. If you don't know this, just go and watch my previous video. So I will run this command, hold this command. So I have two particular table here. So first one is refinery client, and second one is distribution channel. So I will run this whole command and I will then get back to you. So yes, you can see that it is successfully run. So let's see what are the data inside the distribution channel. So let me run and see what are the data inside the distribution channel. So go up bit. Yeah, as you can see that we have something called disk name, we have called status received, and we have something called sales ID in the distribution channel. And in the refinery client, if you go and see what are the data inside the refinery client, we have something called refinery name, unit sold, status sent, and sales ID. The both table are connected by sales ID. So if you don't know about foreign key, primary key, so let me tell you about the basic thing. Primary key are the unique value. Like if we have 5 members in our class, and if let us assume that my name is Anil, and another guy, that guy also name is Anil. So how do a teacher particularly like differentiate between me and that guy? So it's all about our roll number. That's called our ID. So our ID must be different. So yeah, it's our primary key, and that uniquely identify us. So yeah, that's called primary key. And what is foreign key? If we have two table and that is connected by the same thing, if like you can see here in the distribution channel, we have something called in the refinery client, you can see that something called sales ID is there. And if I want to see the content inside this distribution channel, I can see that I too had a sales ID here. So I can see that, like if I have sales ID 101, then I can directly go and compare the data, and I can directly join the table by using sales ID. So I will talk about the joins in the upcoming videos. So yes, so let's create a scenario. So as you can see that in refinery table, update unit sold 10,000 as 9,000. So let me go and first see what are the data inside the refinery table. So refinery client, we have something called refinery name, unit sold, status sent, and sales ID. So in refinery client table, I have to update the unit sold. Here as you can see that Big Refine Corporation having unit sold as 10,000, but maybe they have like mistakenly entered 10,000. Instead of that we have to enter 9,000. So we can use update command, right? If you know update, what are the table name? So you know that this is our table name. I won't do any spelling mistakes. I am copying and pasting it. So update refinery client set, and you can see that we have unit sold. So units sold, and we have to set unit sold equals to we have to put 10,000, right? So how much? 10,000. Yeah, where is a clause here, where, and here you can see that we have sales ID as 1001, where sale ID equals to 1001. Yeah, let's run this. And yeah, as we have as you can see that it's successfully running. So now let me see the refinery client again. And yeah, you can see that the previously it was 9,000 and now it's 10,000. Update table unit sold 10,000 as 9,000. Okay, it was 10,000 but we have to update as 9,000, right? Okay, I think I read it mistakenly, so we have to put 9,000 here. So let me run again this command so that yeah, it's successfully run. And let me run this command now, and now yeah, as you can see that it's 9,000. So it's like you have learned, right, how to do this. If we have to put another value, you can change the value 9,000 as 20,000 also, it doesn't matter. So yeah, now the one mistake has been resolved, that in the final client we have added unit sold equals to 9,000 as it was mentioned as 10,000 previously. So now we have another problem to solve. We have to delete query for fake oil company. As you can see that where is our fake oil company, here we have fake oil company. So delete query for fake oil company from refinery table. So maybe they have mistakenly added this column fake oil company. As you can see that we have, maybe they are trying to have fun with this. So let's delete this. So delete fake oil company, right? So I will try to write delete from where we have to delete. We have to delete from refinery table, right? So delete from, copy it and paste it here, refinery, right? Where, and as you can see that fake oil company is 1007, where sale ID equals to 1007. And I think, let me check it again, delete from refinery table, okay, where sale ID equals to, yeah, and delete query for fake oil company from refinery table. Okay, let me run this command. Yeah, it's successfully run. Let me check again back to this refinery client, and as you can see that we don't have any fake oil company here. So yeah, we have successfully solved these two queries here. And let me go below and see, yeah, we have another problem to solve. We have to change the table name using alter command for this, like, as it's not properly written, but I know what to do here. So we, as you can see that we have this table name distribution channel. So maybe like sometime if we try to write this whole name, maybe we will do some error. So in order to do so, we will try to change this whole table name and we will rename the table to this underscore channel. So let's do it. Alter table, and let's copy this, alter table name, rename as, what do you have to rename as? This underscore channel. Rename as this underscore channel. Alter table distribution channel, rename as, okay, we run this command and rename as, oh I'm sorry, I put as here, I don't have to put as, we have to put to. So alter table distribution channel, rename to this channel. Okay, let me run back this query again. Yeah, it's running now. So now let me check if I can access here. So select star from, now let me use this name here, this channel. So let's run this command. Here you can see that now this distribution channel has been renamed to this channel. So yeah, we have successfully solved this another query. So let's move to the another query we have to solve here. Missed here, add a column location in this channel. Okay, now it's clear that where we have to add it. So we will use an alter command, alter, what's the table name, this underscore channel, this alter table. Okay, I need to mention alter table name, add, what do we have to add? We have to add a new location, right? So we have to add a column location. We have to alter table name, add location null, because maybe some has location, some might not have location. So yeah, it's successfully run. Let's see the table again. Let's see this table. As you can see that we have a new location column here, and the last and the foremost thing is we have to set an value in location by using or operand. So how to do that? So as we know that for update we have to use update command, update, and we have to update table. So what's the basic name of the table? It's called this channel updates. So yeah, we have to write update this channels, and we have to set location, right? So we will set location, and here you can see that we have something called set location county A. So we will try to put location as county A, and where sales ID equals to 1, here 1, and or sales ID equals to 3, or sales ID equals to 6. So let me run this command for you guys, and let's see what are the data inside that this channel now. Okay, and as you can see that we have county A here. So for ID number 2 and ID number 5 we didn't location name. So let's do that. So let's do the same thing. Update, what we have to update the table. So update channel, so we have to set location equals to county B. So I'm sorry, we have to put 1, we have to take care that we need to put only one quotes, you don't have to put double quotes there. So where sales ID equals to 1002 or sale ID equals to 1005, right? We have to update this two thing, and let's put semicolon here and run this command. So it's successfully run. Let me check here what's the data inside the disk channel. As you can see that we have for ID number 1, 3 and 4 we have 1, 3, 4, 6 we have county A, county A, county A and county A. For ID number 2 and 5, like I'm skipping this 100, I am just taking the last value. So value is 2 and 5, we have county B and county B. So yeah, that's all for this video. In the next video we will try to take more such examples, so that we can learn more such queries here. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and meet you in the next video. Thank you and have a nice day to all. Bye.